Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset OPPO A6x. Okay, we have two methods how we can reset our phone, and I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with the method for the settings. That's also the recommended method. Now, scroll down, find System and Update, find Backup and Reset, and click on Reset Phone. Now, if you click on Erase All Data, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again, and your device will be ready to use, but before you'll have to go through the setup process. Of course, remember that all of your data will be erased. That's the first and the recommended method. When it comes to the second method, it's the reset through the recovery mode, and we need to remember about a few things when it comes to this method. If you have your screen lock set, you can turn it off before resetting, because if you don't turn it off, during the setup process, the phone will want you to type this screen lock as a confirmation that you're actually a user. And you can also sign out of your Google account, because also during the setup process, the phone will want you to sign in into the exact same Google account into which you were logged in before the reset, as a confirmation that you're actually a user of this device. So you can sign out of your Google account right now, or if you remember your password and everything, you can type it in the setup process later. It's up to you. To perform a reset using this method, we need to power off our device, so click Power key and Volume up, and select Power off. Now let's wait a little bit, a few seconds, and to enter recovery mode, we need to hold Power key and Volume down at the same time until we see the OPPO logo. When it appears, release the finger from Power key, but keep holding Volume down. So start holding both buttons. Now release the finger from Power key, but keep holding Volume down. Okay, now select your language. You can move around this menu using the volume keys, and if you want to confirm the selected option, click the Power key, but the touchscreen also works. Now select Format Data, type this code using using your keyboard to confirm. Wait a second. Okay, and now click on Format. The process will begin. Data formatted, so click on OK. And now the phone will be turned on within a few seconds, and you'll have to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.